So let's do the last one. So say we have cotangent is -5, and I want to know where sine of x over 2, what that is, and well, let's put a double angle in there, what cosine of 2x is. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and look for sine of x over 2, and I know my formula for that. That's going to be square root 1. Sine is to minus, so minus cosine of x over 2. And I'm going to say, well, I don't know cosine of x. I wasn't given it this time, but I can draw it out. I'll come down here and just draw a triangle. So I have a theta. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so cotan is the opposite. So it's adjacent over opposite, so 5 over 1. Do Pythagorean theorem, so 25 plus 1 is 26, so square root of 26. I'm looking for cosine, so cosine would be 5 over the square root of 26. So I'm looking for 1 minus 5 over the square root of 26, all over 2. And I was in, real quick, I was in the fourth quadrant, 270 to 360. If I drew that out, would be here. Cosine there is positive, so it's a positive 5 over square root of 26. Let's simplify a bit. So square root of 26 minus 5 all over square root of 26. That thing divided by 2, which is 2 over 1. So I'm going to flip and multiply. Get square root of 26 minus 5 all over 2 root 26. Could rationalize, probably should rationalize, not going to do it. Okay, so that seems pretty simplified. And let's see, I'm looking for sine of x over 2. So if this is x, x over 2 would be between 360 divided by 2 is 180. 270 divided by 2 is 135. So that would be about here. So okay, sine is positive there, xy is positive there, so this is positive. So this is a pretty good answer. Okay, I also want the cosine of 2x. Luckily I remember my formula for that. Cos squared x minus sine squared x. So I already know the cos. I found it. It was 5 over square root of 26. And my sine. Sine's opposite over hypotenuse. So 1 over square root of 26. So 25 over 26 minus 1 over 26. 24 over 26. Simplify. 12 over 13. So that's my cos. Don't have to worry about the sine when I'm doing double angle or adding, because I didn't take a square root. The reason we got to worry about sine with half angle is because we took a square root, which means it could have been a positive or a negative. So we need to actually sit there and figure out where it's going to be to see if it is going to be positive or negative. Okay.